How to download and use the PlayStation app on PC. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose and without further ado, let's begin. First of all, you need to visit the PlayStation website. For that, launch a web browser and go to playstation.com. Then you will reach on the section where you need to first select your country or region and make sure that your country is available on this section. After a while, you need to simply open the home page and then click PlayStation application. Then click on Download Now button. You will see QR code option for Google Play or the App Store, but this don't work directly on PC. To run the PlayStation app on your PC, you need to download an emulator like BlueStacks from BlueStacks.com. Once installed, you need to open BlueStacks and use the search bar at top left and type PlayStation app in search bar. You simply need to click the first result and tap install on app layer bottom left. Once installed, you can open the app and log in with your PlayStation account and you are good to go. That's it. I hope this guide worked, and if you are new to our channel, hit the like button and subscribe. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next video.